Okay, so I'm going to show you my simple pancake mix. So if we can first look at the ingredients. These ingredients are not weighed. What I've done is I found a container and just filled all of the ingredients up to the same measure, so it's a flat mix. They're all identical. You could do that with a cup, or in this instance, I've done it with a bowl. So start off then, put the eggs into your mixing bowl. Now I'm just going to use a pinch of salt just to help the eggs. Start to whisk those up. Then add the milk and the flour. Whisk it till all the lumps are out. We don't want any lumps in our pancakes. So while we're doing this, I'm just going to put my pan on the heat. So one of the keys to stop the pancakes sticking is that the pan has to be nice and hot. It's always better if you rest the mix in the fridge for 10 minutes or so. But as we don't have that time today, we're going to crack straight on. So I'm just waiting now until I can feel the heat on the back of my hand. So start off with a bit of the mix. It's best just to leave it for a few minutes, and then as it cooks it will start to come away at the edges. That's starting to come away there, which is what we need. And again, this mix, you don't have to be too strict with it. It's quite forgiving. There we go. So cook it for a bit more on this side. There we have pancake. To use your favourite filling.